Good morning. My name is Hemavashni from 7th A. Our,
My name is Veerajyasri from 7th A.
our topic name is toothpaste machine.
If we press the button means it will go slowly to the machine and it comes down. It will
It will come
slowly and press. It will press means the toothpaste will come out.
The mouth of the toothpaste tube is larger so that we are using in a day-to-day life is larger so that is larger so that if it will get finished in few days. It will useful for in the home where the number of person were large, and also attract the attention of the children and increase the interest with and increase the interest and increase their interest towards brushing.
It works on as simple as concept. If it over means you can use again and again. Thank you.